In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the glass in your trail ridge tow mirror. Using some tape, we're going to go ahead and do a crisscross pattern on the glass itself. This is going to help protect us if the glass should shatter upon removal. Go ahead and reach around the back corner of the glass. Just kind of pry this out a little bit. Put your fingers back there. And we're going to gently pull outward. What we were able to do was disconnect the retaining tabs off of the mirror motor itself. Now we can go ahead and disconnect the harnesses off of the glass itself. Go ahead and take the new mirror, line up the tabs, and slip these on. Once you have these on, I want to go ahead and line this up. And right in the center, we're going to go ahead and apply some even pressure, snapping that into place. Now at this point here, you can go ahead and fold that mirror, go ahead and clean that glass, and you're all set.